The greatest threats to civilization on Earth. Civilization stands at a precarious tipping point. Throughout history, humanity has survived wars, plagues, and natural disasters. But what happens when the greatest threats to our existence converge? From climate change to nuclear war, pandemics to artificial intelligence, the dangers are growing. In this documentary, we will explore the greatest threats to civilization and the steps we must take to safeguard our future. Number 1. Climate change. The most pressing and existential threat to civilization today is climate change. Rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, and severe weather events are pushing ecosystems and human societies to the brink. From the destruction of biodiversity to the intensification of natural disasters, climate change is not a distant threat. It's happening now.
Number 2. Nuclear war. Since the dawn of the atomic age, the specter of nuclear war has loomed over humanity. With enough firepower to wipe out entire cities and change the planet's climate, the threat of nuclear conflict could be humanity's most catastrophic scenario. As nations continue to stockpile weapons and tensions rise, the possibility of a nuclear war seems more real than ever.
Number 3. Pandemics. The COVID-19 pandemic reminded us of how vulnerable we are to infectious diseases. But what if the next pandemic is more deadly and harder to control? With global travel, dense populations, and increasing environmental disruption, pandemics remain one of the greatest risks to civilization.
Number 4. Artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, the lines between human and machine are blurring. While AI promises great benefits, such as medical breakthroughs and efficiency in industries, it also raises deep concerns. Could AI surpass human intelligence and pose an existential threat? What if AI systems were used for mass surveillance, warfare, or manipulation?
The greatest threats to civilization are not just about the catastrophes themselves, but also about humanity's response. We face a choice, whether to ignore the signs and risks or to rise to the challenge of safeguarding our future. The clock is ticking, but if we act with foresight, cooperation, and innovation, we may still have a chance to protect the world for future generations. Join the conversation. Subscribe for more documentaries on the greatest challenges facing our world.